Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct an Information and Communication Technology or I.C.T class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 4 M.C.Q. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 4 M.C.Q. Dear students, look here. It is our lecture number 5th and SW number 4. It is our lecture number 5th and SW number 4 on our annual term syllabus. So look at the title, it is word processing, and on the title word processing, today we will learn M.C.Q. So all of you give your attention. I have given you only 10 M.C.Q. So look at the first one at first. Number 1, which one is the writing software in the computer? Which one is the writing software in the computer? Look at the options. A, graphical software. B, system software. C, word processing software. D, spreadsheet software. So look at the option. Graphical software, no, not the correct answer. System software, not the correct answer. C number, word processing software, this is the accurate answer. And look at the D number, this is spreadsheet software, this is related to the calculation things. So C number is the appropriate answer, word processing software. Which one is the writing software in the computer? So C number is the word processing software, C number, word processing software. Number 2, which one is Bengali phonetic software? So look at the title, it is Bengali phonetic software. Look at the options. Number A, science software. B, Roman times table software. Laconi software. And D number, Opera software. So dear students, from our book chapter number 4, we have learned that Opera is a Bengali phonetic software. So D number, Opera is a Bengali phonetics software. D number is the correct answer. Which one is Bengali phonetics software? Opera. Opera is the Bengali phonetics software. Number 3, why is enter keyboard used? So look at the number 3 again. Why is enter keyboard used? Options. Number A, to delete a selected part. Number B, to move the cursor down a line. Number C, to delete the letters before the cursor. Number D, to cancel menu or dialog box. So look again, why is enter key used? So we all know the answer because we have learned from our book chapter 4. Okay, enter keyboard is used to move the cursor down a line. So why is enter key used? Enter key is used to move the cursor down a line. B number is the correct answer. Now read here for question number 4 and 5. Read the chapter below and answer the questions number 4 and 5. So here after reading our passage, we will answer question number 4 and 5. So look the passage. Ranu was born in America. Where was Ranu born? In America. She can talk but not write anything in Bengali. So look at the passage or information. She can talk but not write anything in Bengali. Next, she has decided to design an Eid greeting cards. So look here, Eid greeting cards, and send it to her grandpa wishing in Bangla. So look, it is seen that Ranu was born or was living in America. She wants to send a greeting cards to her grandpa who lives in Bangladesh. So how will she send a greeting card to her grandpa? So look at the option. So look at the information again. She has decided to design an Eid greeting cards and sent it to her grandpa wishing in Bangla. Now we will go to the next page to get the question number 4 and 5. So look here. Which software will Ranu use to design the card? Look here. Which software will Ranu use to design the cart? Look at the options. Option number A, Bijoy. Option number B, Lekhoni. Option number C, Prodika. Option number D is Abro. So can you guess what will be the correct answer? Yes, option number D, Abro is the correct answer. Using the software Abro, we will know how to write Bangla, or we can write Bangla. So 4 number D number option is the correct answer, Abro. So look at the question number 5 now. To design the cart, Ranu beautifully and easily can, option number 1, copy some words, number 2, insert pictures, number 3, correct the spelling through editings. Which one of the following is correct? So look here, which one of the following is correct? That means using the software Abro to design the cart Ranu beautifully and easily, what can she do? She can copy some words, yes. Insert picture, yes. Correct the spelling through editing. So she can do all the 3 activities. So which one of the following is correct? Number A, 1 and 2, not only 1 and 2, 1 and 3, not 2, 3, no. So look at the option number D, it is 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. So using the software Abro, she can copy some words, yes, insert pictures, correct the spelling through editings. She can do these 3 activities. Now we will go to the question number 6. Which one is the main input device? So look here, main input device in what processor? Which one is the main input device in what processor? Look at the options. Number A, mouse. Number B, keyboard. Number C, CD. CD, we all know the full form of CD is compact disc. And number D is pen drive. Number D is pen drive. Dear students, we all know from our book page number 47, that means chapter number 4, that keyboard is the main input device. Keyboard is the main input device. We have other input devices also. These are mouse, microphone, digital camera, scanner. So here it is asked that which one is the main input device. So option number B is the correct answer, main input device. B, keyboard is the main input device. Number 7 now. In which year keyboard layout for Bangla type writer is made? In which year keyboard layout for Bangla type writer is made? So look at the option. Option number A, 1961. Option number B, 1965. Option number C, 1971. Option number D, 1976. Dear students, one important thing, that is in 1965, Professor Munir Chaudhuri, intellectual, that means during the liberation war, we all know that Professor Munir Chaudhuri was killed by the anti-liberation forces. Okay, that means here the answer is that in 1965, Professor Munir Chaudhuri first invented a Bangla keyboard. Okay, so option number B is the correct answer, 1965. That means Professor Munir Chaudhuri invented a Bangla type keyboard, that is Munir keyboard like this one. B number 1965 is the correct answer. So look at the option now, question number 8. What is word processor? So look here, what is word processor? Option A pen, B number A machine, C a computer, D a software. So our today's chapter is, our today's topic is M.C.Q, and these M.C.Qs are taken from word processing. So word processor is definitely a software. Word processor is a software. Now 9. For Bangla typing, we have to press, so look here again, for Bangla typing, we have to press A, Ctrl C, Ctrl Z, Ctrl B, D, Ctrl CM. Okay, dear students, I think all of you know the answer. For Bangla typing, we have to press Ctrl Alt B. That means C number is the correct answer, Ctrl Alt B. Last MCQ, look here. Which one is the Bangla word processing software? Which one is the Bangla word processing software? Number A, MS Word. Number B, OpenOffice. Number C, Abro. None of these. So dear students, we have already learned that Abro is the Bangla word processing software. It is called a Unicode software. So using this software we can write Bangla properly. So option number C is the correct answer. Abro is the Bangla word processing software. Now dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written SW chapter 4. What is it? SW chapter 4 M.C.Q 1 to 6. How many? 1 to 6. So look here. Here I have given, or today we have learned 10 M.C.Qs. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? It is 10. Okay. But I have given as your SW only 6. That means 1 to 6 you will do as your SW. Dear students, finally I hope that all of you have understood this information and communication technology class on our M.C.Q topic. So keep practicing and do your SW properly and submit your SW on the next Sunday. You can submit your SW, your parents can come to school submitting, or anyone can come to submit your SW. And keep practicing at home, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah.